Welcome to our Factory Unlocked series by MPDV, where data meets delivery. Today we are showing you how MPDV solves the top 10 problems in US manufacturing. First off, pain point number 1, finding and retaining skilled labor. Let's face it, finding and keeping skilled workers these days, tougher than a $2 steak. But before you throw in the towel, MPDV's got your back. Their MES acts like your most experienced foreman, spotting skill gaps and creating smart, personalized training plans. We're talking interactive, hands-on learning that actually sticks, not just another boring manual. Plus, it tracks progress, highlights rising stars, and keeps your top talent challenged and engaged. By streamlining your training processes, MPDV's MES can slash your training costs by a whopping 15 to 25%. Not bad, right? Stick around. Next time, we're tackling pain point number 2, supply chain agility.